So this is the final part of the gel. This is how it looks when you put the gel in. What's good, YouTube? It's me, LD Flea, and I'm back with another video, you feel me? Quarantine boring, so today I'm gonna be giving y'all a little hair tutorial, how to get curls, my hair routine, feel me? Right now my hair looks terrible, but in this video, I'm gonna be giving y'all the best technique, the secret ingredient of how to get curly hair for any hair type. See, I have 4C hair, my joint be terrible sometimes. That don't change, man. You feel me? But without further ado, I'm gonna get right into the video. But before that, before I get into that, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. There's no reason I should be getting 1,000+ views on my videos in a row, and I don't have over 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Nah, not even please. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, you know? Hit the subscribe button. I'm not playing with y'all, bro. Hit the subscribe button so y'all don't miss out on no content. There's no reason I should get as much views and likes and comments, but y'all not subscribing. Hit that subscribe button before I get mad, bro. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video, you feel me?
One eternity later.
Alright, y'all. Just got out the shower. First step, get your hair soaking wet. Soaking wet. I got a shirt on. Get your hair soaking wet. And then you're gonna need sheer moisture, curl enhancing smoothie. You feel me? This right here. Make sure your hair is like soaking wet, don't even dry it. Then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna part your hair into sections. So I'm gonna do like this section first. Right here. This right here. And make sure you pull it like this. Right? You can pick your hair out when it's wet, or in the shower, wherever, however you wanna get it wet. I just choose not to sometimes, just to have that little curly-ish look. And then you wanna get some on your fingertips. Okay. Not that much, but and then you're gonna wanna run it through like this. Just keep running it through and make sure you're pulling your hair on the soaking wet hair. Keep running it through, and make sure you're pulling it. And you like really massaging it into your hair so it can soak in. You gotta make sure you're pulling your hair, like really like pulling it and making sure all the product gets in your hair and like and all of it.
One eternity later.
This part right here, I love doing this part. Young age, learn how to get paid. Big, paid, long way wait, you don't have to get said, right? Keep it on the floor. I don't know what nephew is. I said, what's up? That was a step a little early, you know what I mean? A little preview, but
Where do I start with that one?
I'm just really like working it through right now. Like I'm finished putting the product in, but I'm just really working it through everywhere. Just especially the back, because the back of my hair gets the curliest. Alright, when you're done sectioning your hair and working the product through your hair thoroughly, you feel me? Now, all you gotta do is just shake it, feel me? Shake it. Yeah, shake that joint. It's gonna hurt your head, but you know what I mean? Just do it. See it starting to come in? You feel me? See, my head already hurts, but you gonna see like little like strands like this. That's cause like I have the C4 hair, it gets dappy and stuff. So just pull those up. That's to show you it works. Yeah, I really had C4 hair. Just pull it up. Yeah, you gotta shake that joint out. Feel me? Feel me? You really gotta keep shaking. If you got little strands too, just put them up. I know you see that, all you 7th graders, 8th graders, in middle school, high school. Cause I know y'all be searching this out how to get curly hair. That's what I did when I was younger too. I got y'all, I'm hooking y'all up. Hooking y'all up, you feel me? My earrings, like, when I do that, they like come loose or whatever. Just keep shaking it, keep shaking it. Your head probably gonna hurt, but it's worth it. Alright, my head kinda hurts. But yeah. Scroll back in the video and go look at my hair before and look at it now. You're gonna have some weak spots. It's basically like waves, I'm telling you. You're gonna have some weak spots, but it's alright though. It's alright though. Because waves are basically just patted down curls. Right here, but I need a cut, bro. Oh my god, I need a cut. Quarantine got us all looking bad. My back is the best spot. I mean, and when you're done shaking, you feel like it's curly enough, you like it. You can either like just wait for it to just like wait for it to dry, go do whatever, and just wait for it to dry, and it'll still be curly. But you might lose some frizz. It's gonna get frizzy and like it's gonna shrink. Like shrinkage is gonna happen if you have C4C type hair or just like black hair in general. But you can go like this and it'll stay majority curly for like the rest of the day and like the rest of the however long. Cause you'll have different hair. Mine usually stays curly for like 2-3 days, feel me? But yeah, so you can at this step you can just go wait for it to dry. And now you got your curls, you feel me? The popping curls. But or you can do the next step, which is also very important, but it's not mandatory. It's whatever you feel like it. You can go to the next step. Alright, but yeah, that's all I got hairs on my. But yeah, as I was saying, this next step is not mandatory, but you can put in some gel to really hold it and make the curls last longer, I use this. It doesn't really matter like what type of gel you use. Just make sure it's a gel for like curls. You can use Ego Styler. But I just use this. But yeah, just apply that in your hair the same way, pull it through, and you shake. Make sure you shake. Shaking is one of the most important steps. That's the secret. The way you apply it, the way I was applying it, is shaking. It's the most important steps to getting curly hair. But yeah, you feel me? It's gonna dry. Like all this white stuff's gonna dry. Just wipe off this. That's all I do. Wipe that off.
Oh boy, where do I start with that one?
But yeah, as you can see, full hair transformation. Full hair don't move. My weave not steady. Period. But yeah, the back, I love the back because that part gets the curly. It stays curly like long. Period, poo. Alright, but if y'all digging it though, if I really helped y'all out, leave a comment below. Drop a like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the gel. I don't always, like I said, I don't always do this, but sometimes I really do if I want to keep my curls longer and hold them in for longer periods of time. Alright, y'all. Well, this is the final product. This is gel. This is how we put the gel in. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, like I said, gel is not a necessary step. It can be for some people, it can be for it doesn't have to be for others, but it's whatever you feel like. But gel, it holds your hair and the curls longer, and it lets it like stay there longer. It makes it just adds to the definition and all that. You feel me? But yeah, this is the final product. This is can't say LD ain't help y'all out. You feel me? All y'all coming on YouTube looking for curly hair, and they not really helping you. LD helped you out. He told you what to do. He gave you the magic ingredients, the technique, everything. So you want to impress your crush, you want to look better. I don't care what it's for. I helped you out. You feel me? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Feel me? My little boy right here. If I helped you out, which I know I did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, you feel me? Look at that, look at that. Ooh, ooh. Light skin with curls. I don't need no light skin. You got a brown skin and dark skin right in front of you, right here. You feel me? All my brown skins and dark skins out there, you feel me? These light skins not winning no more. We winning. We winning. We got the curls and we winning now, you feel me? Yes, sir. But yeah. That's pretty much the end of the video. You know what I mean? Just wait for it to dry. It's gonna dry, but yeah, you dig. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm gonna start shaking my head, kinda hurt. Yeah, just wait for it to dry. With that, oh wait, hold on. Before I finish the video. If you want to see the products again, these are the products. You can get them at any dollar store, hair store. Now, I don't know about this, at the dollar store or anything. You can definitely get this at any dollar store or hair store. And this you can find at any like pharmacy, hair store, anywhere. You feel me? Right here. Take a screenshot.
Oh boy, where do I start with that one?
Alright, take a screenshot. But yeah. Sheet moisture, curly hair smoothie. Long E Curl Activating Gel. Get your hair right. I had 4C hair too, and then I found it. I got enlightened. So, this can be you. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for the video. Like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Don't make me mad. Subscribe to the video. I know I helped you out. So subscribe. Watch more content. I have a bunch more content on the channel. Watch it. Public interviews, debates, all that. Feel me? But yeah. LD Flea, my Instagram is at ld.flea. ld.flea. Follow me on there. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'm gonna see you in another video. Peace.